That pipe is the toilet. It's a 4-inch pipe. It's coming from underneath the toilet. Right now we're flushing the toilet, and that's where the water is leaking from. And it's leaking a lot, so that's why all this drywall get wet. As soon we touch it, it just start falling apart because it's all this water, it was just raining in over the drywall. I put this plastic back to just to storage everything there, but that's the pipe that is leaking, is making all this problem right here, all wet up there, right here. And of course that's the toilet. I don't want to put my phone too close because it's gonna get really wet, and I don't know if it is waterproof or no, but there is the problem. So we're gonna do whatever it takes to fix it. As you can see, it's leaking really bad over there. Oh, so that's unit F.